Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponers. So today we're here with a really fun video, mentoring new couponers. This is a great one. I've mentored quite a few couponers. None of them are still going strong. None of them are doing it anymore, but we're going to talk about them. So yeah, there is such a thing as mentoring and such a thing as coddling and doing it all for them. And you've got to separate yourself from doing it all for them. You can't do that. So, here's my thing on mentoring newbies. Always be willing to help, but don't do the work for them. And I've caught myself before doing the work. Like I said, I've done quite a few different couponers I've tried to mentor. Some of them would work with me and some of them wouldn't. So, always be willing to help them, but don't do the work for them. This is going to result in you not even wanting to do your own couponing because you're spending all your time couponing for someone else. And then they're never going to learn, so then you both will just quit couponing. And it's really not going to help anybody. So here's what I would recommend. Helping. You can help them. Sit down with them. Show them the ropes. Say, hey, go watch Ohio Valley Couponer for Kroger. Hey, go watch Krista Coupons for Dollar General. Go watch, I don't know, My Own Identity for CVS. Go watch these people. But they're going to show you how to do this. And you're going to do it. You can help them come up with their first scenario. You can say, hey, I want to do this here. Let's sit down and come up with a scenario for you. Let me show you how to do it. You can even go to the store with them. And go have a little couponing buddy, and go shopping with them. You can explain to them and teach them things you've learned. But you cannot let yourself consistently be doing the work for them. Why is my TV is making a buzzing? I don't understand why it's off. I'm going to have to look at that. But anyways, you cannot do all the work for them. You cannot do it. You are going to get so burnt out. There are some people, if you'll do the work for them, why would they ever do it themselves? Like, seriously, if you do it for them, why would they want to do it if you're just going to do it for them? So, instances of this, you're creating scenarios on a weekly basis for them. You're coming up with their Ibotta bonus. You're coming up with their CVS deals. You're doing it all. And they're not doing anything. They're just going to the store. You might even clip their coupons. I know you might be thinking, this is crazy, Nick. No one would do this. Yeah, people do. Believe it. I've done some of these. You're going to do all the work and allow them to just reap the benefits, and they're not doing anything. Seriously. Like, that, you can help them, but you don't need to do the work for them. You're going to get so burnt out. I think we've all had a person who said they wanted to coupon and they didn't really want to do it because they just realized it's so time intensive. Couponing really is time intensive. It's not, if someone can just do it easily, that's awesome. At least on my personal couponing life, it does take time. If you're watching this and you can get it down in 30 minutes a week, tell me how, because you're like a pro. I need to learn how to do it in 30 minutes a week. But I know for me, it's at least a few hours a week. At least, just for my own personal couponing. That don't even include the YouTube, but like, it takes a lot of time to coupon. So, you don't want to spend that valuable time doing it for another person and them not doing anything. You guys can work together. I think that's a great thing to work together. There's people here, that's what my cousin and I used to do when she did it. We worked together. We'd go get the papers. She'd help me cut a lot of times. She'd take me to the stores. We'd go together, and it was a lot of fun. But now, like I said, I've done multiples. There was a person who would just message me and ask me where deals were. Like, oh, I got a bonus. What do you think I could do? And they didn't really come up with any of the work on their own. And I'd waste all my time. And then they wouldn't even go do the scenario. Like, seriously, they wouldn't even go do it. And I was just like, are you serious? It just, like, got to be too much. So, get help and be a couponing buddy, but don't do the work for them, or you're just not going to want to coupon for yourself. And I totally get that. I wouldn't want to coupon for myself either at that point, because I'd just be tired of it, like, seriously. So yeah, that's all I have for now. Let me know down in the comments if you ever experienced something like this. What do you think about this? And yeah, that's all that I have, and thank you so much for watching.